And in this industry, one country has dominated for decades. That country is Japan. Today, we'll explore how Japan became the world's wafer powerhouse and why no one has been able to replace it. Every semiconductor chip starts with a silicon wafer. No wafer, no chip. No AI, no smartphone, no data center. The wafer is the invisible foundation of the entire semiconductor supply chain. Yet most people have never heard of it. Two Japanese companies, Shin-Etsu Chemical and Sumco, control over 60% of the global silicon wafer market. Together, they supply the wafers that power Samsung, TSMC, Intel, and virtually every major chipmaker on Earth. This is not a coincidence. It is the result of decades of focused investment and relentless refinement. A silicon wafer must achieve extremely low defect density, precise flatness, uniform resistivity, and stable crystal quality. Even small variations can impact chip yields. Japan has spent decades mastering these requirements. That accumulated know-how cannot be copied overnight.
South Korea tried. Taiwan tried. China is trying. But replacing Japan in wafer supply is not simply a matter of building a factory. It requires decades of process knowledge, equipment expertise, and quality consistency that only comes with time. Japan's lead is not just technological, it is institutional. The wafer industry is not only a technology business, it is also a trust business. A semiconductor manufacturer may take years to qualify a new wafer supplier. Once a supplier earns that trust, customers rarely switch. This is why Japan's position is so difficult to challenge. Japan wins because of three things. First, technical excellence built over generations. Second, the trust of the world's most demanding customers. Third, a complete ecosystem. Materials, equipment, and process knowledge, all in one place. These three advantages reinforce each other. That is why Japan still wins.
In my years working in the wafer industry, I learned that customers do not simply buy wafers. They buy reliability, consistency, and trust. Japan understood this before anyone else, and that understanding, built over decades, is the real reason why Japan still wins.